Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport in granite crystal metallic. With halogen headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, black 3-piece hardtop, rear view wiper and washer, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 43,000 miles on the odometer, 5-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, SIRIUSXM satellite radio, command track part-time 4-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 6501A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.